In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoho Books to Google Sheets. To get started, open any Google Sheets document. It can be a brand new blank spreadsheet or an existing one you already use for reporting. The reason we start here is simple. The connection is usually made through an add-on inside Google Sheets. So this is where everything begins. Once your sheet is open, go to the top menu and click Extensions. From there, hover over Add-ons, then select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can browse and install tools that extend what Google Sheets can do. If this is your first time using add-ons, don't worry. The process is very straightforward. In the search bar, type the name of a recognized Zoho Books connector, such as G-Integrator for Zoho Books or Coefficient. When you find the connector you want to use, click on it and then select Install. During installation, Google may ask you to review permissions and confirm access. Take a moment to read through those prompts so you understand what the add-on needs in order to work properly with your spreadsheet and your Zoho Books data. After the installation is complete, refresh your Google Sheet. This step is important because it helps the newly installed extension appear correctly in the Extensions menu. Once the sheet reloads, click Extensions again. Open the connector you installed and sign in to your Zoho Books account when prompted. You'll also need to authorize the connection so the add-on can securely access the data you want to bring into Google Sheets. Make sure you complete each permission screen until the connection is fully approved. After you are signed in, choose the exact data you want to pull into the sheet. For example, you might select something like list invoices if you want invoice information from Zoho Books to appear in your spreadsheet. At this stage, you'll usually be asked to map the fields. This means deciding which Zoho Books data points like invoice number, customer name, amount, or date should populate specific columns in your Google Sheet. Try to keep your column layout clear and organized so the imported data is easy to read and update later. Once everything is mapped correctly, your Zoho Books data can populate the spreadsheet and help you manage reporting, analysis, or record tracking more efficiently inside Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.